Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step number 2 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and safety inspection. Step number 2 is a complete interior coil and furnace inspection for rust, mold, and contaminants. So what's going to happen is we'll be inside at the indoor part of the air conditioning system, checking the blower cavity, checking the heat exchanger cavity, and checking the cooling coil. We want to make sure that there's nothing inside there that's clogging up airflow, molds growing because we're not draining water properly, or any kind of rust starting to build up because the system's icing over. It's real important that you get all this checked. It's just like the air filter in your car. You would replace that filter when you get your oil change done so that the car can get the right amount of air in so it can combust properly. If not, you get really poor fuel economy. Same thing happens here. If you can't move the right amount of airflow through here because there's molds in the way or contaminants or things that are blocking it, or maybe things that are getting rusted up because of the things that are blocking airflow, all this internally starts to perform very poorly. So it's really important that you get your tune-up done and then follow it up with maintenance as you go to make sure that all this stuff in here stays clean and free of any kind of contaminants. It's also very good for your health because you don't want to be breathing anything that this thing can produce. So please get your tune-up done. It's an inexpensive way to make this system run longer and better, and then follow up with continued maintenance. See you on the next video.